Hello and a warm welcome to all hyperMILL users out there. I am kicking off the first part of my video series on smart macros for metric threads. In this series, I am diving deep into the fascinating world of smart macros, covering everything from unique templates, through diverse data import options, to mapping features on holes, and finally, crafting the smart macro itself. Let's start by exploring a special template designed specifically for metric threads and precision bores. We start with a new file. Then we set some standard layers for our template. In the next step we set two colors for metric threads and precision bores based on the recommendation of the VDWF color chart. After setting the colors, we set up geometric tags based on the core diameters of metric threads from M3 to M12. These tags are later used as filters. That's all. Now we can save this file as a template. Therefore we use the command save as and the file extension HMCT. In the last step we add this template to our list. Stay tuned to the next upcoming video where I show you different options of data import. And also how to use this template. See you soon.